Oh my gosh, this is crazy. So we're gonna have a track meet in the rain. This is crazy.
But I also want a blanket.
We'll never forget it. Are you sure she's in track 1? What? It's raining, baby girl.
Oh, it is.
Where's Noah?
He's getting his shoes on.
We are gonna have a track meet in the rain. How exciting! Do you have anything to pull back your hair?
I'm good.
Your head's gonna be soaking wet. I don't think you can wear your hat and run.
I'm not.
Can you?
I'm not going to.
You're not gonna wear your hat and run? Here comes Noah. Track meet in the rain. Oh yeah. Isn't this great?
I left the door open.
That's okay, Daddy's gonna be coming out in a little while. You guys excited? Here we go, let's hit registration.
The only thing I'm hoping is I'm not running this year.
You're not. Reese is just gonna collect awards.
But my goal is to run fast, win all the races,
Okay.
and win all the races.
Okay.
Those are my 3 goals.
Collect ribbons.
And collect ribbons. So I
Maybe I'm wrong and a lot of people will show up. I don't know.
Not sure.
A lot of people have to show up because they ordered it.
People don't care.
They don't have to show up. Volunteers have to show up in the rain.
Some people don't really care, and they'll just show up. They'll be like,
They'll just collect their t-shirt tomorrow.
"Is that what you came for?"
A t-shirt?
Oh my gosh, I came to run, not to get a t-shirt.
Unless you just want to be in your hat. Then you can just be in your hat.
Me.
Alright, I locked the door. Are you ready?
What?
This is a serious rainy track meet.
I didn't want it.
Well, at least you're your old ones.
No, like when it's a flower. It's such a beautiful day.
Alright, where's Fairview?
Right here.
Oh, okay, good. You can go up, Reese. Oh, I
Right?
think my lens is all foggy. No.
Did you even see what happened just now?
No.
I hit the button and it closed up on me. Oh!
What happened? You hit the button again?
Why it's not popping up? Look at my pants.
Yeah, look at your pants.
Run! You're supposed to run.
3rd grade girls.
6th grade.
3rd grade girls on the track. Here we go.
They have a track meet.
I was gonna fall forward if I kept it up. Man, as soon as I hit that top spot, I just put my foot up.
What was your time?
10.06.
10.06. There we go. 50 yards. Woohoo! Next event.
And girls, 50-meter run.
Did they just go?
For the boys, first place from Fairview, Griffin Bear. Second place from Sumitview, Tyler Rooney. And third place we have a tie with Rylan Nichols from Fairview. And also a tie for that would be Cole Payton from Sumitview. For the girls, 50 meters, 3rd grade. First place, Chloe Cruz from Hooverville. Second place, Phillips from Sumitview. And third place, Caroline Burhoff from Hooverville.
Really? Fourth place?
I got 25.65.
You look like you were in fourth place.
You think I was? My legs hurt right where my knees and my heart hurts.
Oh, I bet. Oh my goodness. All right, you ready to grab our stuff?
Yes. Yeah, I'm the one that paid for it.
Who's hungry?
I am.
You okay?
Yeah.
You need to sit down for a minute?
Can I?
I'm talking to Reese.
Oh! Can I?
Sit down for a minute? Right here?
Yeah, I don't care. Anywhere.
Really? Do you need a drink of water? Here, come on over here. Our stuff's right over there. You gonna be okay?
Yeah, do we have a drink of water?
Yeah, I have water bottles in our bag. Come on over. Hurry up.
And there was 23 points, so keep up the good work.
What?
She didn't say the names.
That was awesome!
Did she say the names?
No.
What did you run it in?
25.26.
Okay, 23 was second place. So super fun Burger King day,
Yeah.
right? Burger King meal. After we ran off all that energy at the track meet.
Especially me. I'm gonna go.
Yeah, especially Noah. Right, he didn't get to run today.
They're not even playing it. We're on the main girl
You
here.
can run later. All right, so we're gonna say see ya.
See ya.
See ya. See you next time.
Thanks guys for watching. Click right here to go back to our channel and click right here